Hey y'all, the devil filed a lawsuit, Heaven or Hell, Your Choice series. That's what we're talking about today. And our topic for today is traps for the unfamiliar. There are many traps the devil creditor can use against folks unfamiliar with litigation. And we're going to talk about that today. The first one is file an answer. On our last video, we said to contest the lawsuit, you must file a signed written answer with the court clerk within 30 days of the date of being served, unless it's a complaint for replevin and you got to do the 5 days to object to the order of delivery. Otherwise, the devil creditor is going to get a default judgment against you and get what they wanted. That means you must physically take that piece of paper down there, have the clerk stamp it with their stamp, not just mail a copy to the lawyer and say, "Ooh, I filed it." No, you got to take it to the court clerk and have them stamp it. All right. Next, affirmative defenses. If you have an affirmative defense, and we talked about those last time, they must show up in your answer and be written out in there saying why you believe you have these affirmative defenses. Otherwise, you may waive that affirmative defense. Next, a counter complaint. If the person suing you, if that devil suing you owes you money, you need to file a counter complaint and basically a lawsuit inside the lawsuit saying, yeah, I may owe him, but he owes me, and here's why. And if you don't do that, you might waive that claim. Next is the PreTrial Discovery process. Now, this refers to the period from the point of filing of the lawsuit to the actual trial of the lawsuit, where the parties can find out what facts or information each other have related to the lawsuit and require the other party to admit or deny certain facts. The first thing to watch out for is what we call request for admissions. And in my estimation, that is the most dangerous because the devil can send you this piece of paper called request for admissions that says, admit that you owe him $17,432.21. And if you don't prepare and file the proper response with the court within 30 days, the court will deem that request admitted. In other words, it'll be a fact of the case that you owe $17,432.21. That may be another reason why you should talk to legal counsel. All right, interrogatories and requests for production of documents. Interrogatories are just written questions saying, hey, tell me about this, tell me about that. And request for production is where it says, please provide certain documents. And you're supposed to provide those documents and attach it to your response along with the response to your interrogatories, right? So, if you fail to timely respond, and that's 30 days, the creditor can file a motion for contempt, and the judge can throw out your answer, which will mean the creditor is going to get a default judgment against you. Or the judge can hold you in contempt and either fine you or put you in jail. Okay? So, and I've seen this happen. It's called a writ of body attachment, and it's a scary thing. So if the judge finds you in contempt and says the way you're going to purge your contempt is answer those interrogatories, and you fail to do it within the time frame allowed, the judge can have you arrested and put in jail. All right, so that's the pretrial discovery process. Next is the trial or hearing. Now, you'll get a notice from the court saying the hearing is going to be on whatever day it is, and if you fail to show up, the judge is going to find in favor of the devil. He's going to give them a default judgment, so you got to be there. All right. So those are some of the traps for the unfamiliar. In our next video, we're going to talk about fighting the devil in court. But in the meantime, if you'd like to stop this insanity, we would be happy to provide you with a free debt consultation. It's a $150 value, but we'll do it for you for free of charge. Or if you'd like a copy of our book, The Devil Filed a Lawsuit, Heaven or Hell, Your Choice, we'd be happy to send it to you free of charge, even though it's a $24.99 value. And of course, to do that, just call us or go online and make your request. Also, please remember that our firm's mission is restoring hope and peace to people in financial distress by hitting the reset button on their bills through the bankruptcy process. That's why we're here. I do hope you have a blessed day, and I look forward to our next video time together.